Introducing the ultimate gym and fitness management system, NitroFIT28. With the NitroFIT28, you can efficiently manage multiple gyms, customize membership plans, handle billing, engage members, track attendance, and much more. Manage multiple fitness centers effortlessly from a single platform. Add unlimited members, customize membership plans, and async data across branches seamlessly. Simplify attendance tracking with Code Check-ins for seamless and contactless access. Eliminate manual tracking and reduce fraud with real-time check-in verification. Flexible membership plans with automated renewals and reminders ensure smooth operations. Integrated payment gateways make transactions effortless, supporting Razorpay, Stripe, PayPal, MasterCard, Amazon Pay, and Visa. Engage your members with eDeal, automated SMS, email, and push notifications for reminders, promotions, and updates. Mobile apps Quiz for Android and iPhone ensure seamless access to class bookings, schedules, and more. Streamline admin tasks with self-service memberships and automated workflows. Increase revenue with a built-in gym POS system, offering in-club sales, inventory management, and e-commerce integration. Stay organized with internal task management and a dedicated support ticket system for smooth communication. Make NitroFIT28 truly yours. Customize themes, colors, layouts, and fonts effortlessly with our drag-and-drop page builder, featuring 50-plus components. Revolutionize fitness coaching with AI-powered personalized workout plans. Seamlessly integrate payments, manage user access, and track progress. Personalized diet plans, tailored for each member's fitness journey. Support multiple languages, customizable templates, and real-time analytics. Never miss a payment. The Auto Renewal add-on ensures seamless, automated membership renewals and secure transactions. Take your gym management to the next level with NitroFIT28. Try it today and experience the future of fitness business management.